How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Bougie Bungalow. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. And yes, I am back again and showcasing another avenue for tiny home living. And this right here is for you subscribers that are interested in going tiny but want to try it out first. Well, right here with Recreational Resort Cottages, partnered with Hidden Forest Lake, Tiny Home Communities located in Campbell, Texas, we have the Tinytel, where we have a variety of over 10 homes that you can book for a nightly or weekly stay, whatever you wish. And this is also part of our try and buy program here at Recreational Resort Cottages, where you can book it for a night or weekend. And if you choose to purchase your home within 30 days of your stay, then your stay is completely comped. And again, guys, all you have to do is contact me directly to pursue the try and buy program. But starting here, you'll see that this home goes by the name of the Bougie Bungalow. So if you're interested in a nightly or a weekend stay, that this may be one of the homes that you choose to book. And starting here with the exterior, as you pull up to this home, you'll notice that it boasts the garlic clove base color. It has the black magic trim around your doors and windows. It's equipped with the black gutters on this home to complement the black metal skirting, as well as the black stairs and rails that you'll see here, and it's topped off with a Gavaloon metal roof. The floor plan that this home will be goes by the name of the Chalcedony No Loft. This model is all one level, no loft, with vaulted ceilings. Follow me up the stairs here, and as you see, these custom composite Trex decking stairs lead up to your landing right here at the top. You have a key code that allows you to get into each home that we offer. And what's so great about the Bougie Bungalow is the vaulted ceiling. As soon as you walk in, because there's no loft, you can see here when you enter, it feels so open, so airy, and so much larger than 399 square feet. If you're interested in seeing firsthand if you can live in 399 square feet, this may be a viable option for you. So we're providing it for you right here with our Tinytel. As you enter the Bougie Bungalow, you can see a lot of things about this home throw off the bougie vibe for sure. You'll notice the pink sofa, some of the decor here. We have the modern glass coffee table. You got your magazines down there. You got your natural light coming in off one end of the home with the large window up above. You're going to have the built-in entertainment center in the gray painted cabinetry with the nickel bar pools. Oh my goodness, one of my favorite hosts are on the TV right now. So you can sit here and binge watch Recreational Resort Cottages YouTube channel at your leisure. You have additional decor down below. What I love about this model is the open concept that you're going to see. We even have a closet here that you can place your belongings and some of your goods. You'll notice the elongated countertop offers additional space for eating, things like that. There are additional chairs and stools that will be equipped here for your convenience. There's additional storage down below. And every home that will be featured in the Tinytel is going to have the directory right here for you, which showcases your checkout time of 11 a.m. And it's going to have some of the common amenities that you're going to have in each home strategically located in that book for you to utilize. Also, you got some of the decor here that you'll notice, just little things that add the personal flair to this home as you walk through to make you feel real good about your stay. What I love is the layout of the kitchen. Ample countertop space. We have the black appliances in this particular model. It is going to be electric appliances in here, so For those of you that like to whip up something and cook, electric. Most people know how to cook on that at least. You're going to have all of your outlets that you need. You're going to have the mosaic backsplash going around. If you are interested in potentially purchasing a home with the one basin stainless steel farm sink, you get to try it firsthand right here with your cutting board, your drainers, everything that you need. It's going to be equipped with paper towels, toiletry, some coffee pods as well. Those are going to come complimentary for your stay. And as you come on back, you'll see that we've got the standard style fridge here in black as well. And then we'll go directly across. And you'll notice that in this particular model, you're going to have your countertop space here. That way you can get ready for the day, brush your teeth, do everything you need to do. And then you're going to have the space across for the tiled shower. This is going to be the Carrera tile going in a vertical pattern right here. And you'll see with no loft how tall these ceilings are throughout this home. So that is a great feature that you're going to have in the Bougie Bungalow. Now follow me on back in the center space. For those of you that may be potentially working during your trip, you've got the designated area right here where you could easily put your laptop, your desktop, whatever you need. Or if you wanted a designated vanity area, this would be a great space to do so. We also will take it back in here to the bedroom, and you'll notice in here that there is going to be a queen size bed in here with nightstands on each side. You'll notice that there are going to be electrical outlets in each nightstand for your convenience, so you can charge your electronics, your phones, everything that you need. We have the decor around here, the additional window off the rear, bringing in the natural light. You're going to have 2 closets in here during your stay to accompany everything that you need clothing wise. We have the built-in drawers down below. And again, you got the TV in here. That is going to be a smart TV in all of our Tinytels. So you can watch all your favorite apps, everything that you need, so that way you can have a home away from home as well. Now follow me back through one more time as we make our way through the Bougie Bungalow. You'll see here, this is just a great concept here, trying to bring and provide for anyone that has any obstacles about purchasing a tiny home. We're trying to check those off. We're trying to knock those obstacles out of the way. If you say, I don't really know if I can do it, well, let's try it. Try it out for yourself. See what works best for you. And again, the Tinytel has over 10 different models to choose from. No lofts, with lofts, 15 wides, 11 wides, centralized loft, wheelchair friendly, porch, no porch. The options are endless. So that way you can get a good idea of what it is that you may be interested in and stay in firsthand to make you feel more comfortable about purchasing from yours truly. If you're interested in booking your stay in the Tinytel or the Try and Buy program, reach out to me directly because I have a personal promo code that I can give you that gives you a discount on each of your bookings. So make sure to do so. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up right now and let me know that you enjoyed me showcasing the possibilities for you having a nightly rental. If you enjoyed the Bougie Bungalow, to be exact, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite feature was. Was it the pink sofa? Was it some of the decor? Was it the neon signs going throughout? Was it the vaulted ceilings, the tile shower? What was it? So that way we can continue to bring items like this throughout our Tinytel as well as our homes in general. If you want to contact me directly about purchasing a model like the Bougie Bungalow or booking your stay in the Tinytel or pursuing the Try and Buy program, run on over to Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. You can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Bougie Bungalow as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.